Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with another amazing, awesome video for the Red Barn Homestead channel. We have an unboxing for us. These videos do fairly decent for us actually, so I like to do them. It's a Salton Vita Pro Food Dehydrator. Got it as an amazing deal on Amazon. Came in its own cardboard box, so it was just the only thing in the box. That in itself wasn't overly exciting. Having a food dehydrator is exciting because like on the cover here they show herbs, spices, fruit roll-ups, vegetables. You know what they don't show but would be amazing? Jerky. I didn't know that you could do meat jerkies on these. That's crazy awesome. They don't even show it on this side. They've got rose petals and crap. Sorry, tomatoes, no, peppers. That's not cool. So, but it does meat, so that's the fantastic part. So, never been opened. So what do we have in here? It's sideways, so we got a cardboard part here. Pull the bag out here. So the box is empty now. Let's pause the video for a second while Mom kicks the cat out of her craft room. Now the cat's back out of the craft room, we can keep going. So it's a plastic bag that's stumping the chump here. Okay, it's got a little knot, so I can just rip it open. Sweet. The manual, which I will read later. Oh, so we have the top tray, or it's the lid. Yeah, well, what's the word for it? So I got that. It's nice plastic. It's kind of flexible. This is the fruit roll-up tray attachment, I guess. Can it run by itself? Oh, the fruit roll-up insert. This would be the herbs and spices insert, and it's in a tray. Then we have trays. I think there are 5 total, and they just
4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay.
There are 5. So they're just, and in theory, you put the sweet jerky inside or whatever, and let it do its thing. And you can buy more if you get crazy. And then a base, which my guess consists of a fan and a heater, which is all as far as I know, a dehydrator is, and a control knob that goes from 95 Fahrenheit, 35 C, all the way up the range to jerky level, I think. They want the jerky to get to 160 degrees Fahrenheit to quote-unquote cook it. As a sous vide owner, and a lot of the people following this channel know that it's not only is it temperature, but it's duration of temperature. So if you have your meat at 140 degrees, but for an extended period of time, that also will kill off all the bacteria, just like how you go in a hot tub type thing. And an on-off button, so you could load up your trays with deliciousness, and we're getting this ready now because I have, we're ready to go. And then you put the lid on it, I guess. I'll read the manual, so I'll seem like I know what I'm talking about next time. And of course it has some venting, so I guess it sucks hot air or warm air out and then kind of vents it off. And then of course the manual, so we'll do that. I guess it comes with parts, okay. They call it fruit leather, not fruit roll-up. They got some recipes, how to run it, which once again, I think it's a plug and chug thing. But what you need to know is exactly what temperatures to set it and how long to run them. So the food drying chart, if we look for the tasty meat products here, it's not listed. So it's all cute, yummy, sugary stuff. Leather, vegetable, peas, herbs, spices, meat, chicken. Nope, you got to get it hot, really. And it doesn't really give it time, but I'm sure.
There's a beef jerky one right there.
Where is it?
Turn one more page.
One more page. Recipes. There. Beef jerky. Combine ingredients, add meat marinade for 6 to 8 hours. Dry meat and place on trays. Dry for 10 to 12 hours. Meat will be bendable and pliable when ready. There you go. And what temperature is it? It doesn't have a temperature. I don't think we'd run it the hottest it could go.
It said 150 to 160 for meat.
Yep, so, and I would agree with that. So, cool. So, that's what we were going to go for. So, that's the Salton Vita Pro. It's kind of neat. We haven't even plugged it in yet, but we'll get it going. Our next video will be quick here. So, just hang on the channel. You'll get it here pretty fast. And we'll be doing technically other snacks too, apples and bananas and other things. But my primary goal is going to be jerky. So, and another cat's in here, so that's winning for us. If you guys have any questions, ask them. If you guys have any comments, please leave them, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, for more exciting, awesome videos. And I guess the cat will see you next time.